Blessings, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I'd like to lodge up my Garifuna Belizean brothers, Lloyd, Augustine, and Reckless Flores, for blessing us with today's Garifuna word of the day. Saraba. It means to get up, or to stand up, or to rise up. Thank you very much for spending your most valuable resource with me, your time. I truly appreciate it. And until the next episode, Saraba. Ayo.